Hi there. This is a live webinar on XSplit VCam. We built this tool so that it can aid you in your meetings as well as your streams or recordings, all without needing a physical green screen. As for me, my name's Sam and I'm the head of the onboarding team over at XSplit. Over the course of this short webinar, I'll be showing you VCam's main features as well as settings that you can adjust to make the most out of VCam. If you have any questions, you can click the Q&A button here on the Zoom meetings and ask questions anytime. I will be answering them on the Q&A portion of this webinar. All right, let's get started. Here's a big picture on how it works. If you have a camera device like your webcam or your mobile phone, or say a camcorder through a capture card, you can add that onto XSplit VCam on your PC or Mac computer. Then on other software like on Google Meet, on Zoom, etc., you can select VCam as the camera source, and all the effects that you've added will be included. So we'll use Zoom here as the example. As you can see, I have one of my cameras selected as the main device that VCam will use. Then on Zoom, I've set camera as the device. So if I were to add, say, a blur, or maybe I remove the background, which places like Zoom is not compatible with it, or let's say if I add my own media file, or let's say I have YouTube set as a background, then it will also come up on Zoom. Here's another cool thing that you can do with VCam. You can add in and edit your own watermark. For example, this one is mine. I can also edit it, like zooming in or out, or repositioning it, or flip it. I could also change the color settings, ranging from brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, even its transparency. I can also click reset to revert the watermark back to its original state. So if you want to change the behavior on how VCam runs, you can click this green burger menu here and then select settings. For the output settings, you can set things like your hardware acceleration, which uses your GPU automatically, and quality. For me, it's set to high, but if I disable the automatic, I can set it even higher. It'll also let me toggle additional options like adaptive filter, which improves the background removal, then always 30 FPS for more consistency with the AI removal, then enable HD in case the app you set VCam to is in low resolution. And also, I have remove chair, which I disabled to show the chair right behind me. I can also change the application settings, like removing the VCam logo from the loading screen. I can also have VCam search for virtual cameras, so I can have more cameras to choose from on the list if available. And there we have it. That's actually it for VCam. So talking about extra cameras, here's another thing that you can do. You can also connect your phone using our free mobile companion app, XSplit Connect Webcam. We've made this available on both iOS and Android devices. Here's an example of what it looks like. You can open up Connect Webcam app, and as long as both your mobile device and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, You'll see the name on your phone when you go through the drop down list on VCam. You don't need a premium license to connect the Connect Webcam app to the VCam. So if you haven't tried this one yet, you can do so for free. Here's an example of what you'll get with the premium features compared to the free version. So using the free version of VCam, it will appear with the watermark. But of course, with the VCam premium license, the watermark will be automatically removed. And you can even edit and add your own custom watermark, like what we shown earlier ago. You could even change the settings, like what's on the background, and even remove the loading screen. So for both, everything else is still just the same. You can use them for as long as you like on the free, and you can even see the virtual cameras even on the free version and change the output settings as well. And there we have it. That's it for VCam. I hope you have enjoyed this webinar session. So if you have any questions, feel free to go over to our website over here at help.xsplit.com. We have quite a number of articles already listed here. So anything that you might want to know, our articles are there. If not, or if you're facing technical issues not found here, our support is open 24/7. If you have anything else, shoot us a message and I'll talk to you next time.